A lead fills out your form at 11 o'clock at night. By the time you roll out of bed the next morning, that lead has already had a full back and forth conversation, answered 3 questions about their budget and their timeline, booked a call on your calendar, and landed in your pipeline tagged as ready to buy. You didn't touch your phone once. That is an AI lead qualifier. By the end of this video, you'll have one running inside GoHighLevel. What's up, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on GoHighLevel Mastery, we show you how to get more clients, automate smarter, and run your business the way the pros do it. Today, we're building one of the highest value automations you can set up inside of GoHighLevel. It works for your own business, and it works as a service you sell to clients. Let me show you the whole thing. Here's the problem we're solving. Most businesses are slow to respond to leads, and a slow response kills deals. Now, studies have shown for years that if you call a fresh lead within 5 minutes, you're far more likely to close them than if you wait even 30. But nobody can answer leads in 5 minutes around the clock. So leads sit, they go cold. And worse, you waste your good hours talking to people who were never gonna buy. The tire kickers and the wrong fit folks. An AI lead qualifier fixes both problems at once. It responds instantly, every time, and it figures out who's actually worth your time before you ever pick up the phone. So what are we actually building? 3 pieces. First, a place for leads to come in, usually a form or a chat widget. Second, a conversation AI bot that talks to the lead, asks your qualifying questions, and reads the answers. Third, a workflow that takes what the bot learned, scores the lead, and tags them, and either books a call or sends them down a nurture path. Let's build each piece. And before you can do any of this, you need a GoHighLevel account with Conversation AI turned on. If you don't have one yet, there's a link in the description to get started with a 30-day free trial, and that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, once you're inside, the AI features live under the AI settings in your sub account, so get that switched on first. Step 1 is the part most people skip, and it's the most important part. You gotta decide what makes a lead qualified before you build anything. So open up a notepad and answer this honestly. What does my perfect customer look like? For a home services business, it might be budget, the type of project, and the timeline. For an agency, it might be the size of the business and whether they already have someone doing the work. Write down 3 or 4 questions that separate a real buyer from a time waster. Keep it to 4 questions max. The second you ask a lead 7 questions in a chat, they bail. We're qualifying, not interrogating. Step 2, we set up where the lead enters. Go into sites, then forms, and build a simple intake form. Name, phone, email, and 1 question about what they need. That's it. Keep it short because every extra field drops your conversion. If you want the AI to talk to people right on your website, you can use the chat widget instead, and the AI takes over the conversation the moment someone types a message. Either way, the lead's contact info now lives inside of GoHighLevel. So to build that form, we'll come in here, we'll go to Sites, we can go to Forms, Builder, and we can create a new form. We can either go from scratch or from a template. So let's do that. And maybe this will be for some home service business. Maybe we have a landscaping business. So let's go ahead and choose this one. All right, so we've got our name, email, phone. Let's get rid of address here. Like we said, we want to keep this sort of brief. Service details, services needed. If others, please specify. Please provide a brief description of the project or the information you need. Please include any additional information or questions you may have. Expected start date. Yeah, I think this is good. We'll go ahead and leave that, and this is landscaping request. So we'll go ahead and keep that in mind and move on to the next step. Step 3 is the fun part, the brain of the whole thing. So head over into Conversation AI and create a new bot. This is where you write the bot's instructions, and this is where people either win or lose. You're basically training an employee with a paragraph. Tell it who it is. Something like you are the front desk assistant at this company, and you are friendly and quick, and your job is to find out if this person is a good fit and book them on a call. Then give it the 4 questions you wrote down in step 1 and tell it to ask them one at a time in a natural way, not all at once like a survey. Last, tell it what to do at the end. If the person answers in a way that makes them a fit, offer them the calendar to book a call. If they don't, thank them and let them know someone will follow up. Now here's a tip that separates a good bot from a bad one. Give it examples. Inside the instructions, show show it what a qualified answer looks like and what a junk answer looks like. When the bot has examples to compare against, it stops guessing and starts judging the way you would. Stick with me because in the next step, I'm gonna show you the piece that actually makes this thing print money. The part that moves a lead automatically based on what the bot heard. We'll go ahead and click save on this. We'll go ahead and open this up. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually fill this out right now. So we'll go ahead and fill out the name, the email, the phone number. For landscaping details, we'll go landscape lighting, and we'll go ahead and check this stuff off and click submit form. Now, if we come back here to contacts, we should see this right in here. We've got this new contact record, which is great. All right, so to build a conversation AI, we'll click on AI agents, and we'll come here to conversation AI, and we'll click on create bot, and we'll go prompt based, and we'll select appointment booking and click continue. We'll give this bot a name. We'll call him backyard bot for our backyard landscaper. Set bot status, we'll have that off. And here we have supported communication channels. We'll go SMS, Instagram, Facebook, chat widget, live chat, and WhatsApp. Advanced settings, we'll go ahead and call this Eric's landscaping. And there's just some other information here. We'll go ahead and click save. And then we can come over here to bot training. And this is where you can go ahead and add a knowledge base trigger. So you can either create a new one or add one that you already have. This is basically just information that you put inside of GoHighLevel so it knows about your business and can reference it. So I'd go ahead and set that up. And then here under bot goals, this is already pretty set up. And again, you're a bot, you're tasked to assist customers. Primary goal is to build trust, guide customers towards booking an appointment. Your goal is to book the customer an appointment. Now, again, you can come in here and give it any, additional things you'd like. And set up your actions. We'll go appointment booking. We'll go single calendar, select calendar, and click proceed. Advanced options, don't book appointments, only send the booking link. That'll work. And we'll click save. And there we go. So we can say something like, hi, what time are you guys open? Yeah, what do you do? What services are available? Okay, we handle a range of landscaping services, things like lawn care, garden design, clean up some more. What kind of project are you thinking about? Lawn care, weekly, starting next week. There we go. Let's go 10 a.m. next Thursday. You can lock in your weekly lawn care for next Thursday at 10 a.m. using the link. Perfect. Just like that. Now, step 4, we build the workflow that does the routing. So we can go into automation and start a new workflow. Okay, so now we'll come over here to automations. We'll go ahead and click on create workflow and we'll build using AI. I've got a prompt here that kind of summarizes everything we've done and what we're looking for. So I'll go ahead and just paste that in. And we'll go ahead and let AI work here for a second while it sets this all up. All right, and after a couple seconds here, you can see we've got a fully built out automation that covers everything that we just talked about. So we can see this starts with the form that we had built here, and this could go ahead and be a form or a chat, again, depending on how you want to set this up. There's multiple ways to do this. We went with the form for this demo, and then what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and send out a text here real quick, and then that's going to initiate the conversation AI. It'll evaluate, and then it gets into some logical branching. If it times out, it ends. If contacts reply, it goes through some hot versus warm, cold qualification, goes through all of that. And so that's one thing that I love about GoHighLevel is if you're not exactly sure where to build something or put something, especially here in an automation, you can just have the AI help you get it built. Now, let's talk about the lead scoring piece, because this is what makes it feel smart. Now, you don't need anything fancy. A simple tag system works great. Hot, warm, cold. The workflow assigns the tag based on the answers. Then you build a smart list or a pipeline view filtered by hot, and that becomes your call list for the day. So instead of staring at 100 raw leads, you open your hot list, and there are the 8 people who are ready right now. That's the entire point of this build. It turns a pile of noise into a short list of buyers. Now, a few mistakes I see people make, so you can skip them. First, they make the bot too robotic. Read your instructions out loud. If it sounds like a form, rewrite it so it sounds like a person. Second, they forget to test it. Before you turn this loose, go through it yourself as if you were a lead, both as a good fit and a bad fit, and make sure the tags in the booking actually fire. Third, they never tell the AI when to hand off to a human. Always give the bot a way to say, let me grab someone from the team when a conversation goes sideways. A good AI knows its limits. Now here's why this is worth your time even if you only run one business. Speed to lead is the single biggest lever you have, and you just automated it. But if you run an agency or you're thinking about starting one, this exact build is a product. Local businesses do not have the time or the know-how to set this up, and they feel the pain of slow lead response every single day. You can charge a setup fee to build it for them and a monthly fee to manage it, and your cost to run it is tiny. We'll break down exactly what to charge for builds like this in another video on the channel, so keep an eye out for that. Now, quick recap, you wrote down what makes a lead qualified. You built a short intake form or turned on the chat widget, created a conversation AI bot with clear instructions and examples, and you built a workflow that scores, tags, and routes every lead automatically, booking the good ones and nurturing the rest. That's a real AI lead qualifier, and it's running for you around the clock. Now, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, we've got that link for you down in the description below to get started with that 30-day free trial. And this is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. Really helps support the channel, lets us keep making these free GoHighLevel tutorials. So if you use them, seriously, thank you so much. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on GoHighLevel Mastery, we teach you how to get more clients, automate smarter, and grow your business using GoHighLevel the right way, whether you're brand new or leveling up your agency. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.